In Eines, in our second edition of eMobility, we are presenting 4 new developers, 4 new solutions based in Eines Vision Systems and AI for automotive quality control inspection. First of our solutions is our EV battery suite for control quality in the final assembly of the line, ensuring the quality of the product and the safety and sustainability of the system. The second one is our system based in our predictive app for ergonomics and pick-and-place solutions using augmented reality. The third one is our solution based on real-time monitoring using our robotics cameras that give us thermal, infrared, and visible image for security. And last but not least, we are using our smart solution we call Foresight Mirror for PPE detection, guaranteeing the safety and sustainability of the employees. The e-mobility looks bright with 3 trends leading the way. The first one should be electrical cars, but not forgetting hydrogen and autonomous cars. The second one, digitalization, like a basis for sustainability of e-mobility with all big data. And the third one should be people-centric in e-mobility, all related with smart cities. That second edition from eMobility, we believe that it was a great edition because at the end they are helping, that kind of events are helping to collaborate and innovate with local partners and global partners to improve our sustainability and to have a better environment to the worldwide. Thank you very much.